time. We're back with Clarence and Queen cooking prison meals, prison bay edition. Let's get into it. Feel better, Queen.
Unless like somebody broke in the house and he got too excited. Oh, let's do chicken noodle soup. Ready, go. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Is it QC, fam? We're not doing that yet.
No, we're not doing that yet.
All right.
What's up, y'all?
See, so many names.
All right.
Okay.
What's up, y'all?
It's your girl, Queen.
It's your boy.
And we are back with another mother freaking video.
As you can already see by the title, we're gonna be making some prison food today. Some prison food, some prison meals.
Really just one meal. It's called a jail brick.
Like you know.
Yeah, a jail brick. I know, because I used to be in a pound. I just got the pound not too long ago. I went in for stealing. I'm just playing.
You serious?
I'm just playing. But yeah, we was both in jail together, so we had learned this from prison. He went to jail actually for selling drugs and people, so.
There's actually no way for us to be in jail together.
We can be in jail together. There's a co-jail. You pay for it.
Girl, what the fuck? So this morning we was scrolling on TikTok. We seen somebody making prison food. It was like, I think an actual prisoner though. And we seen her, I don't know how he got a TikTok actually now that I think about it. But he was on TikTok making prison food. So we had this idea, like, why don't we do this today?
Yeah, so we've never done this. Actually, I think we have had this idea before a long time ago. I just think we never followed through with it. I'm Millie Rock. Hold on, wait.
My son.
Hold on, wait.
I want to do everything I do.
No, first of all, because look, I was wearing Nike today. I put this on first, and he wants to wear his Nike coat after me. Go get your. Y'all will see in his vlog, he was wearing a whole Nike coat. Just because I put on Nike, he put on Nike. I'm telling you, he my son. Like, he just want to be just like me. Don't you?
You can't just keep a straight face. Anyways, before we get into this video, man, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. And
hit that notification.
Important thing, make sure you have the notifications on, because if not, how are you going to know that we drop?
Right, how you going to know? You're going to miss all of our motherfucking videos.
How you going to know we drop? You feel me? But before we get into this video, we about to be right back. We about to change and get right. We about to really, you know, make the scenery, you know, really set the...
Look, we're gonna set the tone for this video, so we will be right back. What's up, y'all? We back. We had to go change.
We almost failed, but that's okay.
Real quick into our prison bay outfits. Wait, what inmate are you?
Why you got my number for? Why you got my number for? Why you rocking my number?
This is my number. What do you mean?
What do you mean? I had this on first.
No, you didn't. And mine's is better than yours. But while I do got your number. Okay. Oh, ow, babe.
I'm sorry, I forgot you was naked.
This is almost see-through.
Sorry.
God, it's like a rubber band popped my freaking butt.
Yeah, it kind of felt like it was wet. It hurt my hand too.
Okay. My butt hurt your hand?
It's done. Yeah.
So y'all, as you guys can see, we have some ingredients here that y'all already seen.
I think we're gonna put the little video that we're talking about maybe here, or I don't know. But do you have the video so we can look at it?
Actually, I don't think it was the prison person that we seen together. I think it was Drewski.
Oh, Drewski was.
We seen Drewski. Yeah, It was Drewski.
So first,
so I don't know if he's gonna copyright us for using his footage.
First thing first, we're gonna
Oh yeah, we gotta boil some water. So Clarence is boiling the water right now.
Boil some water. Now we gotta.
Oh my goodness. You want to stump on?
All right, you know he got the hands. He's a basketball player.
Hold on, wait.
Come on.
Here, you want to stump on it with your bare foot? Go ahead.
You gotta.
Stomp. And all my people say.
Oh, it popped. Damn.
Keep crunching it.
I wasn't supposed to pop.
Is that gonna taste like your foot juice?
Yeah.
Queen funny. It's gonna be terrible anyway, y'all.
It's alright. Oh, wait. They're coming out.
So you stump on it.
No, here, I'm gonna just do a pretty little toe stump. You know, because I think you already did enough damage.
So it's already. Boom. Smack it. Smack it, double smack it.
So I think the first thing that we do need to do though, besides that, is crunch the chips up. So we have got 2 bags of these, but since it's a big bag, we're only gonna use one.
Use one.
But we gotta crunch it up.
Yeah.
So like, I'm gonna start by crunching it. Usually when you open a bag of hot Cheetos, it smells like booty, or fart. So let me see. Yup, exactly like fart. Fresh fart in the bag. Don't it? Cheetos always smell like fart and booty. Am I tripping? Like, is it just me? Wait, you peep this, what this say?
Long, whoa.
That is pause. Long boy gang, grip and rip. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Niggas be doing that shit on purpose.
They is doing that on purpose, y'all. On the back of this Slim Jim, it says Long Boy Gang. And then it says grip and rip. What do that sound like to y'all? That sounds really,
Really freaky.
yeah, freaky.
Yes,
I'm tired of you. Ouch.
Bruh.
Oh, I want to show y'all.
She got Mr. T voice.
Oh, then it popped off. So this thing was real big on me. Well, now it is big back. It's back big because this came off. I cinched my waist. Clarence said, ooh, there we go.
So I would just crunch the chips.
Yeah, beat it. Beat it like how you always beat it.
Beat it, beat it.
Beat it, beat it. Lord. I feel like he was angry or something.
It's not done yet. Full chips in there.
Nah, watch this. Let me beat it. Let me beat it. If I was a guy, I mean, you ready? I feel like I got hot Cheeto dust in my eye.
It's like the thing the judges be using.
Order on the court. Oh wait, hold on.
Order!
Just curve it.
What the fuck? Stop playing.
Wait, have no fear. Tape is here. We got some tape. I'm gonna tape that up. I have ripped it a little bit.
Shit, look, her beating it just ripped through the bag. Babe, now we have to put water in here.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I get some tape though. The tape is gonna help you. Babe, why you made me do that?
Babe, it's you.
You made me do that. You told me to beat it. What's your fault? Ready? Don't worry, babe. We good. We Gucci. We are Gucci. Look, there's nothing's gonna happen.
You're beating.
All right.
All right, surgery complete. They ready to go.
We're done. We're done. I'm done. See, that's how you really gotta beat it though, to the break.
No.
What?
Still full chips in there.
Maybe I mush it. We never seen them really.
You want to
beating
start
it.
slicing the Slim Jims?
Yeah, let me slice it up. So I have seen this one guy use a razor. Oh, that's the guy you talking about. The one that was using a razor. I don't think he was in jail. I think he went to jail
We
before.
went to jail. That's like he's still stuck in that mindset.
Yeah.
Because if you in your crib and you still using a razor and you have a knife right there in your kitchen, it's crazy.
What the? Meet me?
Nah.
Take a walk on the mile outside? Y'all, what's going on here?
Meet me is crazy.
I really never like.
Meet me?
I
ain't meeting nobody.
Really? You didn't even meet me? No, babe, on some real stuff though, like if I was to go to prison, like make up a scenario in your head, like if I went to prison, what would I have like what's something I would have went for? Like no.
Why you would have went to jail?
Yeah, like what is a reason I would have went to prison?
That's tough.
Is it? Why? Because I'm such a good girl?
It'll probably be for reckless driving.
Reckless driving?
Yeah, like you accidentally hit somebody and you didn't see them.
Oh, you trying to say like
You can't drive here.
No, I wasn't gonna say that.
Oh.
I was.
Petty fam. Claire said you can't drive at houses.
So you trying to say I killed the person? Clarence, I can't drive, okay? So don't even do that. If I can't drive, then stop having me drive then when you're in the car.
Don't drive. You don't have to drive when I'm in the car.
I do be driving sometimes.
If I'm in the car, I'm gonna drive.
Sometimes I drive. Babe.
When you by yourself.
No, when you in a car too. When you in the.
It's very rare though.
It's rare, but
Right.
see, nothing ever happens, right? We be good.
If I'm driving.
No, because I be driving and nothing ever happens. I wish you would stop telling people that you ruining my reputation. I'm about to sue you. I'm gonna sue you for defamation of character. That's why you would go to jail, for defamation of character, for telling people I can't drive. I feel like if Clarence went to jail, it would be like, cause he got caught for drugs.
Really, nigga?
I definitely feel like that's why you get caught. Why you look at me like that? Why y'all think Clarence will go to jail? Cause I can't see nothing else. Unless like somebody broke in the house and he got too excited and he shot him like
Too
way
excited
before.
is crazy.
What?
Why would I get too excited?
Cause you love your guns.
I don't love my guns.
Wait, how do I? Yeah, I can't open this. You open it for me. Dang, you crunching the hell out of them chips. Okay. Stop. How? I tried. It's probably my nails. So we are chopping the rest of these up. To be honest, y'all, when's the last time y'all had a Slim Jim? Because I used to eat faithfully, but I'm sorry, y'all. I never ate the skinny ones. I always ate the fat ones. Pause.
What's that?
The fat Slim Jims. I like the fat ones. The thick ones with girth. What?
You're using these explicit words.
How is that explicit? Girth is like a word for thickness. Like you have girth. On your body. Me too, I got girth. I'm a pretty girthy girl. All right, y'all. So now that we got our Slim Jims all chopped up, babe.
Should be good now.
Okay. I'm gonna take this can of salsa con queso, okay? And I'm gonna put it.
You gotta heat it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna melt it in a pot. Oh, my back hurts.
But baby, we don't have a pot.
What do you mean we don't have a pot?
We're in jail.
Oh, so
we're in jail.
Clarence, you got it. You heating the water on the pot.
Well, how else are we gonna get the water though?
Exactly. I have a pot
The
here.
cheese?
What you want to do? Put in a bowl and
Put
microwave
the
it?
glass. Put the whole glass in there.
No, you can't do that.
You can't do that?
Clarence, you cannot do that.
Yeah.
I know you're not serious.
You gotta see what these people are doing in prison. They're using the light to boil their water.
If I was a prisoner, I would put a lock in the sock.
Where you gonna get a lock from?
Babe, they have locks in prison.
She from Detroit, y'all. Don't do that at home, y'all. I have heard that done before, though.
Wait.
You just said they can do anything in prison. Give me this. What?
You're so innocent. Talking about I'm gonna put a lock in the sock.
Babe, people put locks in socks in prison all the time. What you talking about? Alright, we're gonna microwave this cheese. And babe, we also gotta taste it on camera too. Let's do like 30 seconds. And they said don't put a lot of water in here so we cannot ruin it.
Yeah, I know how to make the breakfast. Do that. You
All
can
right.
pour the ramen in there.
Alright, you can do the talking. Talk with some enthusiasm.
Alright, so right now we got pour the ramen. We're gonna pour the ramen in there. So it's gonna mix up with the chips. I need another bag because that's what's gonna stick everything together.
What?
The ramen.
No, we just need one bag, babe. Go ahead. Pour the whole thing in here. And then you're gonna put the chicken packet in there. Should we put this whole thing in here?
Yeah.
Show them how it looks.
Alright, so that's how I look right there. It's all mixed up like chips and noodles. And they ain't got dumped up. Go ahead, dump it.
Looks like sizzling in there. Sizzling my spirit. Yes, Lord. All right. We're gonna pour some.
That looked terrible. I'm sorry for everybody who had to eat that.
We're gonna put these Slim Jimmies up in here. Hey, I don't know. This might be good.
Slim Jimmy.
Oh, also by the way, y'all, I think the dude put tuna on top. I don't know if we're gonna do that. We do have some canned chicken though. Chicken breast.
Tuna is crazy.
Wait, you chopping up another one?
Yeah.
It's not enough? Oh, so you want me to wait?
I don't think it matters.
Oh, okay.
You think it do?
So we pouring it in there. Ooh, that's gloppy cheese.
Chop my finger.
Be careful.
Yeah, that'll be your fault. It was your fault.
No, how?
When you put your arm in, I couldn't see no more.
Well, you didn't chop your fingers, so whose fault is it?
Nobody.
Exactly. Wait, why are you looking at me like that?
I just want you, you know.
You just want.
Every time I look at you, I just know that's not what I'm basically saying is like this is what I gotta deal with.
Is that a bad thing? You don't like that you have to deal with that?
Yes, that's what he's saying. You can know his nurses. That they love each other and they still together. Now I know you ever been in a room, y'all, where y'all had to side look at people, but it's just like he's trying just to keep his comment to himself. It ain't no bad thing. It happen in couples. I give looks all the time. My man give looks about me. I do stuff, you know. Y'all already know.
I say that? Don't put words in my mouth.
Oh my God, who you talking to like that? You want to fight?
You don't want to fight.
Mr. White?
You could meet me in the yard.
I'll meet you in the yard, throw my deuces up. Okay, y'all, wait. So what do we do? Wait, do we gotta mix it like that? Wait, don't we put the water in there?
Yeah, but we gotta get the cheese. Let's get the cheese all over first.
Oh, okay. So hold on.
Chef Boyo Clare.
Let me take this spoon. Let me like stir it around. Yeah, let me get it. Ooh, this is gonna be a very.
They're gonna be on the toilet.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Niggas is about to be. This smell kind of funky. It don't look bad. It don't look bad though.
Claire dancing. Oh my gosh.
We should have some gloves. Should we have some more cheese there? What?
I don't know what the fuck I was doing just now.
Should we have some more cheese in them? Like cheese at the bottom? Oh no, I think it's good.
Nah, the cheese is gonna spread out though.
Alright, so we got that. Boom. Now it's time to put a little, I don't know how much water. What? Wait, get another piece of tape. This is a ghetto version. I think the whole thing is ghetto anyway, but like still.
Y'all need gray tape. Gray tape. Y'all got Christmas clear tape. That ain't working.
Alright, make a little cross right here. See you like a crossroad. There we go. Wrap it on around. There we go.
Gonna miss everybody. And I'm gonna miss everybody. Crossroads, y'all know that Bone Thugs and Harmony? Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, yes, water. So they said...
They got a little bit.
A little.
Don't need that much.
Yeah, so like...
a little bit at a time. I'll bring it over there. Oh, you are.
Yeah, I'm coming over here. Alright, y'all. So be careful with this hot water now, y'all. If y'all have boiling hot water, do not pour it on your partner. Base.
That was funny.
Stop! Why you do that? Okay, you just scared me and now my heart's beating. Oh. Alright. I know this is gonna be hot.
Yeah, it is. Trying to get the water all the way down. But
more?
probably not that whole thing.
Babe. Alright, that's it.
More.
Wait, it's gonna move around here. It's gotta cook. The noodles gotta cook.
Nah, but you want it to be sticky.
Yeah, it's gonna be sticky.
So right here, you just gotta leave it.
You gotta mush it all the way to the top and make it like, you sure that's not too dry?
The bottom is dry, right here.
Ooh, what should we do?
Why didn't the water go down there?
Because it's not enough. Hold on.
It's not put a little. Alright, now it's gonna get there now. Look.
It's gonna get there now?
Yeah,
What?
go ahead, put it. Just look how I did it. I smushed it together.
Alright, so just a little bit, right? Like that? That's it. Man, I'm excited!
Yeah, it's there now.
Oh, this is different. So put it to the back. You're gonna like pat it down to the top. Like keep it folded, you know? Like so they can take the shape of a brick.
She over here talking like she know.
I told you I've been in the pen. I was in the penitentiary. Locked up. Just feel like hot doodle in the bag. I'm not gonna lie. Feel it. Feel it. It feel like hot doodle, like a bunch of hot doodle in there. Ugh. Okay, I feel it working. So y'all probably wondering, why do you have a whole bag of Doritos? Well, the reason why I got Doritos. That's how old people say stuff. The reason why I have Doritos is because we're gonna crunch it on top after we put. Should we do that chicken bear? No. Should we? I say we go all out though. If we're gonna really, it's some real hood.
It's gonna take too long.
No, it's not. Oh, the chicken you just.
I don't know about the chicken.
You eat the chicken out the can. If you ain't gonna have the tuna, you gotta eat the chicken.
I feel like we not in prison though.
Babe, we look at us. Look at us. We are in prison.
We're in the maximum. Babe, turn around.
Oh,
Stop
sorry.
being freaky.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's what I thought you was trying to do.
Maximum security state prison. I didn't even know it
You
said
don't
that.
want me to be freaky. This is a couples channel, not a family one.
Are you trying to get yellowed?
Okay. No, I'm trying to get orange.
Thank you, Claire. The girl.
Y'all, Clarence gave me that one look that he be doing. Y'all know that look when he's like, let's make sure also, I don't know, what do you say? He's doing? Oh wait, it says it's gonna swell up. So how long it take to swell up?
You don't see it. That shit's swollen up. You don't see it.
Do y'all see this?
That shit's big as hell.
Who let the dogs out? Ah, babe. Y'all
Claire.
just seen that, right?
I did.
Now, when I get you back.
I think it's ready. You gonna put these Doritos on here?
Babe, yes, that's a bait. Come on. Go. You already not doing the tuna. And then you won't do the chicken. Like. Alright, y'all. So, now it's time to go in with the scissors. Ooh, wait. It's looking like we did it the right way. So now we cutting down his middle. Oh, this look.
Put it down the middle.
I'm trying. This is what you call ish storm, okay?
Feel like niggas about to be on
Toilet for days, though.
You look good.
Look, watch you really start cooking. You gonna be cooking at night.
Like I'm making a break.
What's your outfit on too? All right, y'all. So the next thing that we was gonna do is, hold on, let me wash my hands. I could have put on gloves. I love to use gloves. Make the same thing.
No.
Do it.
Good.
But why?
Why?
No, wait. Let me wash my hands good before they be like, oh, Queen don't wash her hands good.
I think the bottom needed more cheese. Just a little bit.
It's alright. We're gonna be good.
We ain't gonna eat this whole thing though.
I dare you to eat the whole thing for
I'm good.
$5.
No.
So we got some chips, y'all. We just gonna. Ooh. I be seeing some people put like ranch on top of it. Like, that's disgusting. Ranch.
Oh, niggas just be bored in jail. That's what it is. Niggas be trying to do shit like
Wait, let's move this around a little bit more. Have a little bit more, and we'll be good, y'all. Then we can try it on camera for y'all. All right. So.
Final product.
Did you put enough water?
All right. Look, feel it.
Feel
the noodle.
It's okay. It's supposed to have a little crunch, though. I don't know about y'all, but I've eaten ramen noodles literally without being cooked. Like raw ramen. Have you?
No.
You never had that? It tastes like chips.
Yeah, we used to do that in middle school.
I dare you to eat a pack right now.
That's that Detroit shit right
No,
there.
that's that starvation, like, you're really hungry.
That's what I'm saying. Detroit hunger and New York hunger is two different things.
Please, y'all do worse. Y'all do worse stuff.
Bro, we get $1 butter roll at the deli. You guys are eating
raw ramen noodles?
Raw ramen, like what?
Chill. Chill out. So we're gonna cut it in half.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm a little nervous, babe. Let me get us some forks.
Boom, 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 boom. Get your phone too.
Oh.
Get your phone.
My phone? Oh yeah.
Put on the story.
Where's my motherfucking phone? Where's my damn phone? All right. Which story? Couples or?
Couples channel.
Couples.
Channel.
Yeah. We gotta do that promo. Anyway, how y'all think this look on me? Is it cute? If I was in prison, I would, do me a little. Look at that. So we just cinch the waist, honey. I'm saying I gotta be cute at all times. Period, poo. I feel like Clarence about to come down with something crazy. I don't know. I just feel like, why did he go upstairs? I said I feel like you about to come downstairs with something crazy on. Or just something crazy. I'm about to look up. Just like music. I know, bruh, babe. I knew it, bro. They won't let me. Hey. Oh, do the prison dance. It's like this. I'm sure you know how to do this. It's like this.
That is not a prison dance.
I know, I just made it up. But do it.
Nah. Like what? All right, are you guys ready for the final taste test?
Let's taste. Oh wait. How we gonna eat it? Babe. Oh, let's do the chicken noodle soup. Ready? 1, 2. You know how to do it, right? No. 1, 2. Ready? Go. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side and let it rain.
That's not it.
Babe, yes it is.
What was the side thing?
With a soda on the side. She said chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Alright, I never seen
Okay,
it.
exactly. You ain't never seen it, so y'all. Anywho.
I'm with you, Queen. I know what you're talking about, sis.
Okay, but
you try first, ladies first.
No. Try together, Clarence. Stop. Don't do that. Ready? I want a cheesier part.
Yeah, I want this one.
All right, y'all. Cheers. Cheers to Prison Bay.
Prison base for life.
Prison Bay's for lifers. 1, 2, 3.
Prison Bay for life. That's so cute.
I can see why in jail with all this.
If it was hot and we put a little more water,
I feel like
a little bit.
I feel like we're waiting too long, but it's low-key not bad.
It's good though. I don't know, it's just slapping.
You're gonna be slapping on the toilet. Booty hole gonna be just slapping. Oh, also,
I'm glad they got more than one restroom.
I know y'all probably gonna say we were supposed to put pickles in it, but me and Clarence both agreed that we didn't want pickles, so. You look, oh my goodness. Oh, babe, I know what we can do for a thumbnail. Let's do a thumbnail like this. Oh, I'm sorry.
God damn, Bigfoot Shirley.
Oh my God. My foot is not that big.
You almost broke my toe.
Come here. I feel our thumbnail should be like, ooh, prison bake cooker, like that. Yeah. And then he'll have a video of us cooking it, whatever. Anyway, y'all, I know I'm supposed to just be tasting this, but like, the only thing I don't know I feel that good about is the Slim Jim in it. It's like,
Slim Jim in the shit is the best part to me.
really?
Yeah. Without the Slim Jims, it would be a little weird. I think. The Slim Jims give it like this bacon flavor.
It's low-key busting.
I see.
I know, like I'm really eating this like a 5-course meal. I don't know, what y'all think? Is there any other prison meals that like we're missing out on?
Yeah. If you want Prison Bays to come back, for another vid.
Wait, but that's only if there's more prison food.
Yeah.
Oh,
give us more things to make in jail while we're here. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get it done for you. You know what I'm saying? Prison Bays.
Yeah, we're blessed enough to have like a nice kitchen in jail. We had paid for it. You know, we got special treatment, so.
For sure. We even got a downstairs part.
Actually, babe, because I was out here like, where is he going? Like,
Come downstairs.
All right, y'all. See y'all later. Wait, let's do it together. Ready? Let's go together.
Yeah, but I should already be downstairs.
No, you come back. Wait.
All right, let me come back upstairs.
All right. Babe, that's not even gonna work. That really look real. Okay, right. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all later.
See y'all guys later. Love you guys.
Oh.
Love you.
Love y'all. See y'all later. Peace out.
See you next day. About to clap your cheeks tonight.
I'm really clever. Wow.
That's a lot
Big
of
Dick
ass.
Willie?
That's a lot of ass in a prison
Did
uniform.
you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell, become part of the notification.